Car restoration videos are getting millions of views. Today, I'll show you how to create these satisfying transformation videos and start your own channel. First, watch this channel, Restoration. This channel gained over 1.62 million subscribers just by uploading 132 videos like these. Almost every video has gained millions of views, and I used only free tools to make them. Here is the second channel, Rust to Revive. This channel is also performing very well. 7,000 plus subscribers by uploading just 22 videos. If we go to the popular section, this channel is getting more than 100,000 views on every video. And this channel has gained almost 100,000 subscribers with just 457 videos. You can also make these types of videos for free. In this video, I will show you how. Now, if we go to Google and search for autos, in the cars and vehicles category, how much money do you get on YouTube for 1,000 views? Well, you can see it ranges from $3 to $10 and sometimes $4.20 to $7 just for 1,000 views. Now, if we take the minimum amount, which is $5, and do the math for this channel, this video has 40 million views, just estimating with $5 per 1,000 views. This person has earned $200,000 from a single video, and this is no joke, it's not nonsense. The luxury niche really makes solid money by creating videos. Watch this demo video that I made for you, and believe me, these kinds of videos are totally free to make. Or basically, it's about taking an old classic car model that was super popular back in the day, pulling it out of a junkyard and showing the restoration process. They clean it up, replace parts. In short, it's the story of going from zero to hero. I've put together a solid prompt. The first prompt you'll see is for generating ideas. In this prompt, I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 legendary ASMR-style long-form car restoration video ideas, focusing only on European cars and historically significant models. I've detailed exactly which types of cars and which countries we want. Just copy this prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT's prompt box. Hit enter and you'll start getting ideas right away. Look, here you've got 10 ideas. The very first idea is a silver Mercedes-Benz. The model is mentioned, the country it's from, and its condition. Then you see red Ferrari, British Racing Green, and so on. Basically, all the details are given in 3 lines each, and you get 10 ideas like this. Now, if you want to make a video on any one of these ideas, you'll need to create a full story around it. After that, you'll break that story down into different scenes. This way, you can make a complete 15-minute video. Here, you also have another prompt available. It's a prompt for scene breakdown. You need to copy this prompt and then come back to ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, where it says Insert Topic. Delete that and choose the car you want to make a video on. You can paste any idea you like. Look at what ChatGPT gave you earlier, the red Ferrari idea. I like that one. Copy that idea from here, paste it into the Insert Topic box, hit enter, and you'll see it start generating scenes for you. There will be scenes of about 1 to 1.5 lines each, and ChatGPT will create over 100 scenes for your 15-minute video. Look, ChatGPT has made 113 scenes for us. Now, let me take you inside the start section. It has divided our video into 3 parts. First, we have abandoned intro, which means a car of the model you chose is found rusting and broken down in a deserted place. The paint is peeling off and the car is shown in terrible condition. For this first part, we are given 10 scenes. In these clips, you show what the car was like and what problems it had. The second part is exterior deep cleaning, what's outside, what issues it has, and how it looks from the outside. We are given around 20 scenes for this part. After that comes interior dismantling. Here you'll see things like carpet removal, steering removal, and dust cleaning. This section contains 15 scenes. Part 4 is rust removal, followed by engine rebuilding, bodywork, painting, and finally the final showcase. Complete scenes are provided for all of these sections. In short, you need to make 113 video clips, and from these you'll create one amazing 15-minute video that people will genuinely enjoy watching. Now, for these scenes you need video prompts, and for that we have another prompt. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will give you video prompts in 3 parts, just like it did earlier for scene prompts. Now we will type continue for part 2. After part 2 is completed, we'll type continue again for part 3 and hit enter. This is our last part. As you can see, we have 110 scenes in total. If we go to scene 1, you'll notice that this prompt has only 3 lines, then 2 lines, and so on. That's nowhere near enough to make a video. We need a solid script, around 10 to 12 lines. We'll use these prompts with another powerful prompt to extend their length. For that, you have the 4th prompt, the JSON prompt for expanding video prompts. This means it helps expand video prompts by adding awesome details in between. Now, how do you use this prompt? Look, you just copy this JSON prompt and then paste it into ChatGPT. You'll open ChatGPT in a new window. That means the scenes and prompts from your previous ChatGPT will stay separate. You need a new tab for that. See? Open ChatGPT in a new tab. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, hit enter, and you've explained everything to ChatGPT. It's all stored in its mind now. You've trained it. See? ChatGPT is telling you it understands. It says, you just need to send me the video prompt and I'll turn it into a solid, detailed prompt for you. So, what do you need to do? Simply come back to your previous ChatGPT where your prompts were generated. Copy the first video prompt from there, then paste it into the prompt box in this new ChatGPT where you pasted the JSON prompt earlier. Hit enter and watch as it creates a strong, detailed prompt from that short one you gave. Till that time, while it is generating the prompt, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. ChatGPT has written a really awesome prompt that covers everything, from lighting to camera movements and more. This is exactly the kind of prompt we need if we want to create these types of videos. Now, go ahead and copy this complete JSON prompt. This is the prompt you prepared for your first scene. Copy it, then head over to Google and search for Meta AI. Meta AI gives really amazing quality results, and it's totally free. You can also use Grok if you want to do this kind of work without any cost. Once you're here, first click on the plus button, then click on the create button. Next, click on the image button and then the video button. Now, paste your first JSON prompt into the prompt box. Don't do anything else. Just click the animate button and it will create 4 videos for you. The builds are about to start. Look, the videos are ready. The results are right in front of you and they're amazing. The red Ferrari, the 1989 model, is right there. You need to fix it and show it in your video today. But here's a problem. It got generated in 9:16 format. See, we need 16:9, so change it to that. Let's regenerate it in long format again. Now check this out. Meta AI has given us these results for our first scene, and they're amazing. As you can see, your red Ferrari is parked in a junkyard, smelling bad and in really poor condition. Click on animate and wait. It will generate the video for you within seconds. It's done. This will be our first scene. Similarly, we've already made a video using the JSON prompt here, and the results are right in front of you. Now, let's convert our second scene into a JSON prompt as well. come back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene number 2. Then go to the other ChatGPT where you gave the JSON prompt instructions. Paste your second prompt into the prompt box there and hit enter. See? Your second scene's video prompt has also been converted into JSON format and it's solid. Copy it from here, go to Meta AI, paste this second prompt and click enter. The image will start generating. After that, click the animate button and the video will start generating as well. And look, your video is ready on Meta AI. You can see a gloved hand cleaning the vehicle first. Repeat the same process for all scenes. You need to convert all 113 scenes into JSON prompts. Then pick each JSON prompt one by one and generate videos from them. This is the original method. I followed the same method to make a smaller version of this kind of video for you. Now, some people will watch my video and say, like they did with the last one, that it doesn't have the same vibe as other videos. Well, my friend, those videos are made using paid tools. To use all those techniques, you need a paid plan. You'll get the same vibe if you pay. But if you want to work for free, bro, you've got to put up with some limitations. After completing the whole process, let's move to editing. For editing, I'm using Adobe Premiere, but you can also use CapCut. Import all your videos, then drag them into the timeline and rearrange them in sequence. If you want to add background music, that's up to you, but since this is an ASMR style video, I don't recommend it. Export the video and you're all set with your first video. Thanks for watching.